want them to see this.
The pile?
Yeah.
Oh, but they can already see the corner of the pile. Ronnie's being picky. I was going to show y'all the pile of his boxes and stuff, but
they can see it when it's all up here, and they see, you
can
know,
I look over here?
$2,000 worth of parts.
Dude, this light's really in the way.
I know.
There you go. Just hold that there the whole time.
What is it tie? What is it tied up?
So today we're unboxing.
Yeah, another unboxing video.
Yeah, right on.
Basically,
there's like a list behind you that I assume is in your boxes.
Yeah, it's like, I marked them off as I was ordering them, so you can see what's left. The fuel system, 100% is left, and the clutch. Other than that, we have everything to finish the truck below us.
Woohoo!
So that's some of the stuff that I ordered. I think I ordered. I don't remember exactly.
Well, I stopped at the gas station and got what Levi calls cat food for me, so I didn't feel left out when you were unboxing all your awesome stuff.
Well, thanks.
Well, let's get to it.
All right. Let's see. You're recording me?
Yes, I'm recording you, texting or whatever.
I can't tomorrow. Okay. Sorry, I got asked if I could work tomorrow, and my babysitter can't watch the baby, so I can't work tomorrow.
Oh, darn. Can't work tomorrow.
I know, isn't that sad?
Okay. Ronnie said we're not opening the first item.
Yeah, we're not opening this.
Why would we open that? There's no reason to open that.
Yeah. It's a head gasket. I went with like a pretty medium size of 1.2 millimeters thick. I don't know how much he's decking the head and decking the block, so I went with something in the middle. That way we'd have some wiggle room. It's a 90 millimeter bore. We're going to be 89.5 because we're going 40 over.
Well, all right.
We have this.
What is that?
This is my brake fluid reservoir for my handbrake.
Oh, it's a reservoir?
Yeah.
Dude, it looked like a freaking suspension bushing or something. It looked like a solid bushing or a motor mount or something.
I got red, and I don't know why, because my truck's like purple themed, but I bought a red one.
All right. That's
So,
a pretty neat reservoir.
Anyways, this cheap thing, it was like $8 on Amazon.
Really?
Yeah.
Dang.
We'll link that in the hydraulic handbrake down below if you guys want to do some dumb stuff. Some hydraulic line and all that. We ordered some other stuff from B. Banny that ties into. I've had that for, I don't know, a month. Just sitting in the house.
I had no idea. He's been hiding it from me. Here's a box.
Oh, I guess I should write my name, mark my address off here. Huh?
Should you?
Probably.
Dude, but we want people to come sneak up on us and come see us and stuff. Open this box.
Alright, so after our short intermission, I already opened this one because
There's a box inside the box.
Well, yeah.
Why didn't you just have this box out?
Because I wanted it to look like I hadn't already opened it. But, here we go. People keep asking what pistons we're using. So, here they are. I haven't actually taken one out of the package yet. But these are Supertech dual cam pistons. They are 10.5 to 1 compression.
Ooh, pretty. They coated with something? What are they coated with?
I don't know.
They're definitely coated with something.
Yep, they got something on them. They're all like
Unless
rainbowy.
unless they're 3D printed out of plastic.
Yeah, no,
Because they look pretty neat.
They seem pretty nice. They're supposed to be balanced and stuff.
Well, like they all equal each other?
Yeah.
With their, what are those, wrist pins?
Yeah, these are wrist pins. These are the locks that we've been searching for.
Important.
And look, the groove for them. Wow.
There it is.
Buy legitimate parts, get legitimate stuff.
Yep.
Lesson learned. Anyways, so if I can find these on Amazon, they'll be linked down below. I got them from Injuku Racing because I didn't feel like grabbing part numbers and searching.
They say they're for a late model KA. Is that significant in any way?
A dual cam? Is that what you mean by a late model cam?
Well, I mean, they made dual cams in 91, and 92, and 93, and this says 95 to 98. I didn't know if there was a difference between the two.
I don't know. Compression, maybe. These will end up being 8.5 to 1 compression in our motor.
Okay.
So
we can throw lots of boost at it.
yeah, we'll be boosting the dog balls out of it.
The dog balls?
Yep.
All right. You hear that, Bowser? That's what we're doing. Boosting the dog balls.
So this should be the other half of those.
They're coasters for your coffee table.
Yeah, made in Japan coasters.
So you can set drinks down on the coffee table without ruining it.
These are the Supertech rings to go with them. Oil ring and your compression rings. When you order these, they come in a set per piston. So you have to order 4. You can't order 1 and it comes with all 4. That's not how that works. Yep, those are Supertech to go with the Supertech pistons. So hopefully no more problems. You trying to get part numbers?
Yeah. Just in case that's what they are. I mean, I assume this is a part number right here. So just in case people are like, I wonder what part I should tell them I should order. Just give them that number. Those alphanumerics.
So I know we had the eBay rods, but I decided to buy these.
And the eBay rods look pretty beefy.
Yeah, they look really good. In fact, they're copies of these rods, so they look the exact same.
Oh, okay.
So these are Eagle H-beams.
Let me see this rod.
The rod itself is rated for 1,500 horsepower, which sounds insane to me. And
God, they look eerily similar.
Yeah.
But I guess how different can you make connecting rods?
Yeah, I don't know. These are supposed to be like tested and all this to make sure that everything's right. And that's really the only difference. The reason I ended up buying these is because they come with ARP hardware.
Oh,
The other ones come with hardware, but it doesn't say what it is. And these are $100 difference. Those were $250, these were $350.
Hey, it's Levi.
What's up, dude?
We should have put you in a box and unboxed you. Although you're not new. You're not what?
I'm not box.
You're not a box?
No.
I know. What are you doing? Can I have that? I don't want you to poke yourself.
What's this?
This is a hook to the come along that Daddy and Pops broke.
Y'all broke it, come along?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. So anyways, Eagle rods. So we should be good there. Hey, look at that, dude.
He said, huh?
I just told you I didn't want you to play with that so you wouldn't hurt yourself. Can you leave it? Hey, I need the big box.
Okay.
Alright.
Is it open there?
Yeah, we're gonna open it. You wanna get up here and help me?
Yeah.
Come on.
Man, this is a big box.
So,
You bought a Yeti cooler from Summit.
yes.
And it's the most expensive thing out of all of this.
I bought half the stuff from Injuku and half the stuff from Summit, just because I had links to Summit for the things that I needed. I didn't feel like, once again, looking for part numbers and all that to find them everywhere else. And Summit usually is pretty reasonably priced. And when you order like $800 worth of stuff, they give you free shipping. So that's
Dude,
nice.
and their return policy is amazing.
Is it?
Yes, holy crap.
I've never returned anything to Summit. Should we pull everything out and then
Yeah, why not?
unbox it from there?
Or unbox this mystery box. Because I can't tell what's in it. Like everything else, you can pretty much tell what it is. Except those two things right there. Ooh, dang, pretty. And a sticker.
It's not a sticker.
That's not a sticker?
It's
What is
plastic
that?
gauge for building a motor.
Is it really?
Yes. It's very.
Oh, it sure is. Look at that. Plastic gauge for building a motor.
That's my car.
Nope. These are for Daddy's truck.
Interesting. Ooh.
So the only thing that we're missing out of everything is whatever these bearings are for. To me, based on the size, they look like they're probably rod bearings. We're missing the main bearings.
Okay.
They haven't came in yet. And then these, you see what those are. These are the other half.
Oh, I know what those are. Okay. That's right.
Daddy.
Your sproings. Sproing.
Daddy, the car.
Look at that. No more ghost coilovers for us.
This is pretty nicely packaged.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah, they are.
I never bought coilovers new.
Really?
Yep.
Oh, I guess you haven't. Well, I figured you would have bought like something for your STI or your old Impreza or something, or your old WRX or something.
Well, let's see how it goes in the truck.
Let's see. Levi, you want down?
Yeah.
Here, hold this camera. You're pointing at your dad. Point the camera at your dad. There you go. Now I'll grab you. Look at this. You're like a steady cam. I can just carry you around and use you as a cameraman.
On me
I'll
down.
put you down. Okay. Here, hand me the camera. Dang.
Doesn't fit.
Oh, it's gotta be in there.
I think we have to take the sway bar off.
Is it hitting the sway bar?
Yep. It won't go over enough to like go into the eyelet down there.
I came over here to do an unboxing video, not to work on a truck, but as per usual, we just ended up working on a truck and setting it on fire. And we basically just had to take the sway bar off. We had to get the end links off the sway bar so the coilovers will fit where they have been placed by the B-Banny kit. Look at that. Look at that. My goodness. God, I can't wait to get my kit in. That looks so good.
I'm excited, dude. Hard buy on coilovers? What?
Hold on. God, we should put it here, put it on this side. There are a lot less wires and stuff.
Yeah, there's a lot.
A lot less everything.
Mumbo jumbo going on there. So, this is upside down, right?
Right?
Like, but I'm thinking maybe I'll run it this way. I don't know if that's a good idea or
So it's easier to adjust the
yeah,
dampening?
So I can just open the hood instead of crawling under the truck.
I mean, I don't know why you wouldn't. You know, why you couldn't run them upside down. You should be able to. Yes.
Something like that.
Works. That works. We just gotta get the sway bar out of there now.
Yeah, we'll cut it off.
Alright.
The science of speed.
So those are rod bearings.
Rod bearings.
Gotcha.
Main bearings aren't here yet. They had to get shipped from King, so Summit didn't ship them. So waiting on those. They should be here hopefully by the end of the week. We had another couple days for us before the end of the week. I don't know which one of these are which, but they are main studs and head studs.
Well, you'll know in a minute.
There's a part number. I don't know what HSK means, but
It says KA24E.
that is a lot of paper.
That is a lot of paper.
Seems kind of wasteful.
I know they could have put it in a smaller box, but
These must be head studs.
yes.
That's my guess. You have a little Allen key on the top so you can put them
Oh,
in,
nice.
torque them to spec.
So those are head studs. These are
Main studs.
main studs.
Main studs you can get, they're the same for the single cam and the dual cam.
Oh,
Head
okay.
studs are not. Head studs, you have to get specific for the single cam. They look almost identical. But the thing is, on the main studs, the back two are longer than the rest.
Oh,
Or maybe
interesting.
the back four, I'm not exactly sure. There's three.
Where'd you read this?
Well, it was when I took them apart that I saw this.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, just when we pulled the, they're gone now.
So you read it from real life experience.
I never did anything.
Say, I read it from life.
But yeah, the back two, like the rear two, the main cap is taller than the front
Huh.
3 or 4, however many it is.
Dude, that's a pretty good haul, dude.
Yeah,
Did we forget anything?
I don't think so. Head gasket, rods, pistons, piston rings, studs, bearings,
Coilovers.
coilovers,
And this.
and that. We went with a 450-pound spring. That's what B-Banny recommends, so we're going to start there, and if we got to stiffen it up or soften it up, we'll do so. In the rear, I'm thinking of going with about a 200-pound spring. I'm not real sure. I don't know. I've never done this before, so I think we'll go with the 200. We'll see how much she squats and go from there, I guess.
Oh, the camera not focusing. There it goes. Hello.
Hi. She's an old girl. She's getting beat up.
She's been through a lot.
Might be time to order a new
So
one.
many vehicle fires she's been through.
But yeah, I guess that's everything you need to build a nasty KA. Oh, we have valve springs too. I don't know if I ever showed you guys valve springs.
I don't think so.
Yeah, I got valve springs. They're at the machine shop.
Oh, okay. That makes sense.
So,
Oh, Dave's doing your head too?
yeah, he's got the head. He's going to check all the valves. If it needs any valves, we're going to order higher quality, like stock valves. If that makes sense.
It does?
So, but yeah, other than that, we're just waiting on him now. But he's been waiting on us to get piston rings so we can tell him what they are.
Now we have piston rings.
Now we have piston rings, so we can go from there.
Let's do it.
We're in a good spot now.
Woohoo! Now we have some connecting rods to get rid of.
Hey, if anybody wants them, hit us up on Instagram, hit us up on here. We'll sell them for pretty cheap.
Sell you some KA rods, dude. H-beams, yo. Boom.
Just buy ARP Hardware, you should be good to go.
Anyway, that was our unboxing for the day. Pretty good haul.
It looks so small.
I'm super jealous. I know, dude. It's like, where does car money go?
It's ridiculous.
It goes into all the boxing and wrapping and paper filling and stuff like
Like
that.
this all foam cut and everything, like real nice package.
That's where all your car part money goes, to packaging. But that's it.
That's it. That's it. If you guys want any of this stuff, it'll be linked down below. You guys can pick it up.
Yep, we'll link it all below. Y'all take it easy.
Bye guys.